welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could save you thousands of dollars and endless frustration. Have you ever considered purchasing a new SUV only to find out it might not be the best investment? Well, brace yourself, because in this video, we're unveiling the 15 SUVs that owners are selling in their very first year. Stick around as we discuss the reasons behind these hasty departures and what you should look out for before making your next purchase. The SUV market has exploded in popularity over the last decade, appealing to families, adventurers, and urban dwellers alike. However, not all SUVs are created equal. Some come with a plethora of issues that can lead to buyers regretting their decisions almost immediately. In the following segments, we will explore the top 15 SUVs that owners have chosen to sell within their first year of ownership, highlighting the common pitfalls and challenges they faced. First on our list is the Ford Explorer. While this SUV offers a spacious interior and a variety of engine options, many owners have reported concerns regarding reliability. Frequent issues with the transmission and electrical system have led to dissatisfaction, prompting many to sell within just a year. Number 2, Jeep Compass. Despite its rugged appeal and off-road capabilities, owners have expressed frustration with its lackluster performance and poor fuel economy. The Compass often fails to live up to the brand's adventurous reputation, leading to quick sales. Number 3, Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is a popular choice, but buyers beware. Numerous reports indicate that the Rogue's continuously variable transmission, or CVT, can be problematic. Many find themselves disillusioned with the driving experience, resulting in early sales. Number 4, Chevrolet Equinox. Moving on to the Chevrolet Equinox, this SUV is often criticized for its lack of power and sluggish acceleration. Owners have also reported issues with the infotainment system, which can be frustrating. These factors contribute to the decision to sell shortly after purchase. Number 5, Volkswagen. The Volkswagen Tiguan boasts a premium interior and advanced technology. However, it has faced criticism for its reliability. Many owners have encountered mechanical issues, leading them to part ways with their vehicles in less than a year. Number 6 is the Hyundai Tucson. Although it offers a generous warranty, some owners have found the engine performance to be subpar, especially in terms of acceleration. This dissatisfaction has led to early sell-offs in many cases. Number 7 is Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is often praised for its value, but issues related to the transmission and interior quality have left some owners disappointed. This dissatisfaction has resulted in a trend of selling within the first year of ownership. Number 8 is Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek is known for its all-wheel drive and off-road capability. However, some owners have expressed concerns about its engine power and overall performance. These concerns have led to hasty decisions to sell for an SUV that better meets their expectations. Number 9 is Toyota CHR. We have the Toyota CHR. While Toyota is generally associated with reliability, the CHR has garnered complaints about its cramped interior and limited cargo space. This has prompted some owners to sell after a brief period of ownership. Number 10 is HRV. The Honda HRV is another compact SUV that has seen owners selling within the first year. Complaints regarding its engine performance and lack of power, in addition to its somewhat dated technology, have influenced this trend. Number 11 is the Mazda CX-3 is often lauded for its sporty handling. It has faced criticism for its cramped rear seat and limited cargo space. These factors have led to some owners deciding to sell sooner rather than later. Number 12 is the Buick Encore is marketed as a luxury subcompact SUV, yet it struggles with performance and interior quality. Many owners have found that it does not meet their expectations, leading to early sales. Number 13 is the Mitsubishi Outlander has attempted to carve out a niche in the market, but issues related to reliability and performance have resulted in dissatisfaction among owners, prompting many to sell within their first year. Number 14, Land Rover Discovery Sport. Despite its luxurious reputation, the Land Rover Discovery Sport is notorious for its reliability issues. Owners often find themselves facing expensive repairs, leading to quick sales as they seek more dependable alternatives. Last but not least, we have the Fiat 500X. This SUV attracts buyers with its unique styling, but many have reported a lack of engine power and space. This dissatisfaction often results in owners opting to sell shortly after purchase. Purchasing an SUV is a significant investment, and it's crucial to do your research before making a decision. The vehicles we've discussed today have garnered mixed reviews and dissatisfaction from owners, leading many to sell them within their first year. Always consider factors such as reliability, performance, and owner satisfaction when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below about your experiences with SUVs. Stay tuned for more automotive insights and tips. Thank you for watching.